First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
We're seeing a little patchy fog around the area this morning, a result of some of the rain that we had yesterday and then the cooler temperatures that have settled in during the overnight hours and early this morning, but that should clear away. Skies have cleared. In fact, things are looking much better out there, but we still have two more systems to deal with this week, which could give us a little bit of light precipitation. Here's a look at First Alert live Doppler radar. As I said, all is clear this morning. Skies have cleared out nicely, a little patchy fog here and there. 33, the current temperature reading in Bowling Green. Looking around the Mesonet sites at this hour, we're seeing, upper 30s out to the east and southeast of us, near 40 degrees over in Columbia, 38 in Albany, 36 in Campbellsville. There's 37 up in Munfordville. Slightly cooler back to the west of us as we're seeing that clear sky, and that has settled the temperatures down to 29 up in Hartford. If you're seeing a little bit of fog up there in Ohio County, be careful around even there in Greenville and Litchfield, as you're just below freezing. Some of that fog could actually freeze on a bridge or overpass and maybe cause an isolated slick spot or two, but I don't think it's going to be that big of a concern this morning. Here's a look at the hometown forecast today, brought to you by the Kentucky Lottery. We go to the Lake Cumberland region, maybe 51 for a high today in Columbia and Adair County. Russell Springs, Jamestown, you'll see a high today around 50, maybe 52 for Albany, 53 for Burkesville. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot for tomorrow night estimated to be at $70 million, while the Mega Millions drawing, the next one estimated to be at $15 million. Looking live down Scottsville Road this morning from Independence Bank, we're seeing nothing but a blue sky this morning. As you can see off in the distance, a little bit of twilight starting to come into view now, and a little bit of patchy fog as mentioned here and there. Currently we're at 35 degrees. The winds are fairly light from the southwest, 100% humidity, so that's why I'm saying watch out for that patchy fog that could be in a few places this morning. As a matter of fact, looking at Munfordville, just down or just up from the Green River on 31W, you're seeing just a hint of fog there in Hart County. Your temperature is at 36 degrees this morning. As we go west to Greenville in Muhlenberg County, you're starting with a mainly clear sky. Your temperature is at 32 degrees. 34 is the reading at the airport. 24 up in Indianapolis as the colder air now starting to move in back behind that front that brought us the rain yesterday. In fact, we're 17 degrees chillier this morning than we were yesterday at this hour. Still some cloud cover showing up on satellite, mostly low clouds out to the east along the I-75 corridor. They're still dealing with a cloudy start to the morning, but they'll see some sunshine as we go through the day, and so will we. But you can already see clouds in advance of that next Clipper system, system number 2, that'll be moving in tonight for us. And there is a little mixed precipitation, a little bit of light rain coming in with that system as it moves rapidly off to the south and east. In fact, as we go through the day today, it'll be mostly sunny to start, still breezy though. In fact, winds will be coming up out of the south and west at 15 to 20, maybe even up to 30 miles per hour. The front will come through early this evening. With that, there could be a light rain shower. But overnight, with enough leftover energy, there could be a snow shower. We're not really calling for any accumulation. There could be a light dusting of snow late tonight, early tomorrow morning across the areas. Little pieces of energy kind of rotate around that second system. So tomorrow morning, there could be an icy spot or two on a back road, an untreated road, or a bridge or overpass. But we're not looking for any major accumulation out of this particular system. And there you see Clipper number 3 that'll be moving in late Thursday into Friday with the next chance for some maybe snow flurries. Sunny, breezy, mild today. 53. You'll notice toward late day, we'll see some high clouds in advance of that next system coming in. Then a chance of rain tonight, changing over to light snow by morning, a low of 28. Tomorrow we'll make it up to 32 and a chance of snow showers or flurries in the morning, but breezy and much colder. That 32 is going to feel more like 22 with those winds out of the northwest. And then recovering to 45 on Thursday. But as system number 3 comes in Friday, some flurries in 33. A chilly start to the weekend, but warming as we get into Sunday and Monday.